I made $1,000 with my patient from home just with an internet connection. Well, not exactly $1,000, but it was close, and after all the fees and currency conversion, it was around 700 to 750 United States dollar. And this was 6 years ago before I have any kind of business experience. When people ask me about my journey as an entrepreneur, I don't usually include this part because I don't consider this to be the start of my entrepreneurship career. So this is what happened before I chose to be an entrepreneur. And to be honest with you, in order to make money online, it doesn't always have to be a passion or a skill, which means anyone can do it, even if you are a teenager or a student. I will tell you what and how, but this video is not about my passion, but to show you guys it is possible to make money no matter where you are in this planet as long as you have a phone and an internet connection. I want to make it clear once and for all, it is possible for you to make money online. A lot of money from home online. And each day that pass by without trying, you are missing the opportunity. You are leaving money on the table. I'm not going to sell you a course at the end of this video. I just want you to realize that it is possible and you can. And I want to encourage you to start today. The key is to find someone from anywhere in the globe to whom you can offer something. And all this to be done on the internet without having to leave your room. I know a lot of you are skeptical because of the number of scams out there. It's good, being cautious is good, but that doesn't mean that making money online is impossible. Online business, or in technical term, online side hustle, is how I got started. And since then, I have come a long way. Without the initial income which I got from the internet, I will never be where I am today. Some of you might be excited to hear all this, but the sad truth is that most people who are watching this video will fail. And this failure is not because of lack of talent or not being lucky. The reason is most people don't have the right thought process, the right mindset. See, most people in their 20s, including me, maybe including you, we have been in school and college for 10, 15, 20 years. We have spent thousands of dollars on academic education, and 99% of us haven't made a penny back from the things we learned at school, which means the return on investment is zero. But did anyone complain? No, right? When it comes to business, most people will start complaining in the very first month because they expect it to be easy. The thing is, making money online is a business, and to be honest, it is simple. Yes, simple, but not easy. By simple, I mean you will easily understand when I explain to you how I made money in a moment, but it isn't as easy as it sounds. When it comes to online or internet, the most important skill is communication, because you will be communicating with someone who is hundreds, if not thousands of miles away. They don't know you, you don't know them. So in order for someone to trust you on the internet, it depends entirely on how you communicate. You should appear to them as this kind, generous, professional, reliable person. If you seem rude, mean, or if your response time is so slow, people will not want to work with you. If they ask you a simple question and if it takes you 10 hours to give a response, they will naturally feel like you are not reliable, which means you will probably not close the deal with that person. Some are naturally good at communication. They have this positive aura, they have the charisma and all that, but most people are not good at communication. So before you even try to do anything online, please fix your communication skill if you know you are bad at it. You should be the polite, reliable person who people want to talk to, who people want to work with. Alright, now let me tell you what I did exactly. My passion is actually magic, close-up magic, card magic, mentalism, those kind of stuff. I created a magic to wish someone a happy birthday. So I will make someone's name or photo appear with happy birthday. I think many of you have seen this in AGT or BGT. This magic is something which many people are familiar with, so the card changing colors and stuff and then changing into a photo, something like that. The ones that bought my service were the fathers, the uncles, or the boyfriends of the birthday person. So I would record myself doing the magic and making the name or the photo appear, and I would send them the video, and they must have used that video to surprise the birthday person. And you must be curious to know how people discovered my service, how people get to know my service. I will come to that in a moment. But like I said, it doesn't always have to be a passion or a skill. If you have a skill, that's good. Even if you don't have a skill, you can partner with a friend who have a skill. So you can do the talking and closing the deal, getting the money in your bank account, and you can split it with your friend. That's the benefit of watching my video. As an example, let's say you or your friend is really good at drawing portrait. You can sell this as a service. You can ask your buyer, aka your client, to send a photo, and then you can record yourself or your friend drawing the portrait, and you can send the video of the drawing to your client and also the finished portrait image. You get it, right? If you have a skill, get creative and think how you can come up with a service. And if you have a friend who have a skill, you can partner with your friend to do this. But even if you don't have a friend, there are still ways you can do this. I will refer you to one of my videos where I show people making money in the same way but without any skill or patience. Bear with me for a minute. Alright, so how did people discover my service? How will people discover your service? The platform where I show my magic service is called Fiverr. It is available as a website and also as an app. It is like Amazon, but instead of products, here in Fiverr, people sell services. It is free for anyone to sell on Fiverr. It already has millions of buyers. There are also other similar platforms like Upwork and Freelancer. Fun fact, I tried all three of them, Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer. I failed two of them and I only succeeded in Fiverr. So I encourage you to start today, sign up for an account on all these platforms. If you struggle to make any sales, I have tutorials for that. I will link the entire tutorial playlist down in the description in case you are interested. Alright, this may disappoint some of you. The 750 United States dollar I made with my patient magic, it was not per month, it was all time. I only started making big money only after I shifted to business related services. For those of you who are interested in my journey of making money after the magic stuff, check out this video. For those of you who are interested in other creative ways people do to make money online without a skill or patience, check out this video. I will also link both of the videos down in the description. I wish you success and see you in my next video.